Hello viewers, today we are sharing the recipe of Oats Chapati. Oats are one among the healthiest grains on the earth. Oats are incredibly nutritious. It's rich in antioxidants. It helps to lower the blood pressure levels, helps to lose weight, it lowers the blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of heart disease, reduces LDL and total cholesterol levels, increases the growth of good bacteria in the digestive tract. Hence, it is good for digestive disorders. Eating oats is very good for health. So, we'll be sharing many recipes made of oats. Now, we'll see how to make oats chapati.
Ingredients required for making oats chapati: 1 cup oats. Add this to a mixer grinder and make fine powder. 2 tablespoons whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon oil, salt as per taste. Now let's see how to make oats chapati. Add 1.5 cups of water. It should be equal amount of the flour that you are using. Bring the water to boil. Now add 1 spoon oil. And salt as per taste. Now add the oats flour. Wheat flour. Mix it well. Reduce the flame to medium. Now switch off the flame. Allow the mixture to cool down. Once the mixture cools down, transfer the flour mixture on a rolling board and start kneading. Make small balls. Sprinkle little oats flour on the rolling board. Take the dough and start rolling the chapatis. the other chapatis also. Now heat the tawa. Once tawa is hot, put chapatis. Flip on other side and put little oil. Turn it on other side and cook well. Once it is done, take out the chapatis. Similarly, cook other chapatis also. It will be very soft, so be gentle while flipping the chapatis. Now the oats chapatis are ready to serve. These chapatis are very healthy. It will be very soft and can be torn easily. It will be very tasty as well.
Hope you like the recipe. Please try. Please like